In our Health Alert, new hope for migraine sufferers. The FDA has approved a new first-of-its-kind drug that could provide relief.
Yeah, this could be huge news. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joins us now to show you how it works. Dr. Nandi.
So, Mira, the drug is called Obrojupant, and it could be an option for those who can't take or don't even respond to migraine medications that are currently on the market. Now, Obrojupant doesn't prevent migraines, but it can, however, treat an attack in progress. In fact, in a study last month, more than 19% of participants given the drug reported to be pain-free within 2 hours, and nearly 40% were relieved of the most bothersome migraine symptoms like light and noise sensitivity, which can be really tough.
All right, so what makes this drug different from the other migraine meds available?
So, Brian, Obrojupant could be a game changer, right, for folks who cannot take many of the most prescribed medications because of side effects or safety concerns. Right now, drugs called triptans are the standard treatments for those who suffer severe migraines, and they work by stimulating receptors for the brain chemical serotonin, and that reduces inflammation, but they also constrict blood vessels around the brain, so they're not a good option. They're not always safe for those who are at risk for cardiovascular, heart disease, or stroke. And Obrojupant instead targets a protein involved in the transmission of pain. Very different and safer.
So are there any concerns with the medication?
It's a good question, Amira. There's still a lot of unknowns, right? It's a new medication, but we do know this. The most common side effects are nausea, sleeplessness, and dry mouth. But the long-term effects are still out there, and then we still have questions about that. The latest trial is based on a single treatment, and it's not clear how patients who take this drug will respond over time. Still, we're very hopeful that it'll do something. An estimated 40 million Americans, including my patients, suffer from migraines. The condition impacts 1 in 4 women in the U.S. And with so many people suffering, I think any more options is welcome. And so I'm excited to see what it's going to do in the future.
Exciting developments. All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you.
My pleasure.
And if you have a question or a health concern for the doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi, at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.